In oil and gas projects, cable trays are used to support and route cables safely. They provide mechanical protection, proper ventilation, and easy maintenance. Now, let's see the types of cable trays and their sizes. One ladder type tray strong, used for heavy power cables. Common width 150 mm to 1200 mm. 2 perforated tray with holes for ventilation, suitable for medium loads. Width 50 mm to 900 mm. 3 solid bottom tray, fully covered, protects small control and instrument cables. Width 50 mm to 600 mm. 4 channel type tray for light duty, short span cables. Width 50 mm to 150 mm. 5 wire mesh tray, flexible, used for instruments and communication cables. Width 50 mm to 300 mm. In oil and gas, the most common are ladder and perforated trays because they carry more load and allow heat dissipation. Cable tray selection depends on project requirements and cable size. Which tray do you see most at your site? Comment below.